Hello from Ibiza, guys. Andy from Crypto here, and today we are going to talk about a project called Petra, and of course we're going to do a scam check. So if you've been subscribed to the channel for a longer time, you know we are looking for, has the contract been audited, has the team been KYC'd, is there a legit business model behind this or not? So let's see, guys. As you know, I prefer to stick to trading, and if you also want to trade, use the links down in the description to always get the highest available bonuses. Okay, guys, so let's check this out, guys. Basically, there's no link to a white paper. Okay, so the first red flag, of course, guys. So then, as you can see here, it says basically just our company is managed by traders who are experts in leverage crypto trading. That's all they say. I mean, there's just some blah blah, guys. Okay, so basically, what do they offer? They have three different plans. One that says 1.5% hourly for 5 days, then 2% hourly for 4 days, and all of this. But basically, guys, let me show you. There's nothing behind this project. Yeah, the team is just hiding. Okay, there's no, there hasn't been done any KYC. They don't show their faces. They don't do anything. Okay, there's no white paper. Okay, so no white paper. First red flag. No KYC. Second red flag. Then we don't even have a contract address, so we cannot even check the contract ourselves. And of course, the contract has not been audited. Okay, so basically, what this is just another Ponzi scheme. Okay, they just want to bring new people in, and the deposits of the new people pay the rewards of the existing investors. Okay, so once new people stop coming in, it's just gonna collapse. It's just a Ponzi scheme. Okay, so of course, I would not invest in anything like this. And anyway, because you don't see their faces, their names, you don't know anything about them, they will most likely just rug pull. That means when there's enough money in the contract, they will just take the money and leave. Okay, so as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing money, but I would of course not invest in it because it's just another Ponzi scheme. Yeah, they will just take the money and run away with it. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.